I greet everyone with a smile. I greet everyone with a smile. I follow my daily routine strictly. I follow my daily routine strictly. I help my parents at home. I help my parents at home. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I stay happy and active always. I stay happy and active always. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I keep my books organized. I keep my books organized. I avoid wasting my time. I avoid wasting my time. I focus on my studies daily. I focus on my studies daily. I enjoy my daily routine life. I enjoy my daily routine life. I maintain good habits daily. I maintain good habits daily. I respect elders in my home. I respect elders in my home. I try to improve myself daily. I try to improve myself daily. I keep my room clean always. I keep my room clean always. I stay positive throughout the day. I stay positive throughout the day. I finish my tasks on time. I finish my tasks on time. I enjoy spending time with family. I enjoy spending time with family. I take care of my health daily. I take care of my health daily. She is brushing her hair. She is brushing her hair. She is tying her hair. She is tying her hair. She is wearing a warm jacket. She is wearing a warm jacket. She is opening the window. She is opening the window. She is closing the door. She is closing the door. He is kicking a football. He is kicking a football. He is catching a small ball. He is catching a small ball. He is running in the field. He is running in the field. He is jumping with joy. He is jumping with joy. He is sitting on a chair. He is sitting on a chair. He is watching television. He is watching television. He is listening to music. He is listening to music. He is holding a water bottle. He is holding a water bottle. He is packing his school bag. He is packing his school bag.